The king of electric luxury is here. This black Mercedes EQS is pure perfection. Tech, speed, and elegance, let's dive in. Welcome everyone. Today we are looking at the pinnacle of electric luxury. This is the new Mercedes EQS, and it is absolutely stunning. This is the all-new Mercedes EQS, and in this Obsidian black, it looks absolutely stealthy. The aerodynamic design here isn't just for looks. It's the most aerodynamic production car in the world. It's bold, it's silent, and it's completely electric. Let's dive deep into this masterpiece. The rear lighting signature on the EQS is unlike anything else on the road today. It's truly revolutionary.
Every detail of the Mercedes EQS screams sophistication, especially with these blacked out accents.
The technology starts before you even get in. These flush handles are pure class.
Look at this seamless silhouette. It flows perfectly from the front to the back. Stepping inside the EQS feels like entering a futuristic spaceship. Behold the Hyperscreen. 3 displays under one massive piece of glass. The cabin quality is unmatched. This black leather perfectly complements the exterior. In the back, the Mercedes EQS offers true S-Class levels of comfort and space. Look at this. With 64 colors of ambient lighting, you can set the mood for every journey. The AI-driven software learns your habits and suggests features at the right time. Even sitting still, the presence of the black Mercedes EQS is commanding. Hey Mercedes, it's not just a car. It's a smart assistant that caters to your every need. The sense of openness in the EQS cabin is truly breathtaking. The attention to detail here is why Mercedes remains the king of luxury. So, is the Mercedes EQS the best electric car in the world? It certainly feels like it. If you want zero emissions without compromising on luxury, this is your answer. In this black finish, the EQS is the ultimate statement of style and power. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury reviews. See you in the next one. Vavasri.